There we go, chat. Alright guys, well, we're here with the 2026 edition of driving a neon SRT-4. And I didn't do a video last year, I kind of just forgot to do it, but we do have some upgrades this year that you guys might be interested in. So the big one is the carbon fiber hood. I went ahead and got that off of eBay area, so we just went ahead and replaced the whole thing. It's been pretty good for me, so there's not much else that we've done in the past year. I did get an actual pod for my boost and my AFR over here, and that's been pretty helpful, and it's not falling out anymore, and the AFR is not up here if you guys see my previous videos. I won't go over my full mod list because I've pretty much discussed it in every other driving video I've done with this thing. So if you guys want to know like the full mod list, just go ahead and go check out the videos before this one. And it is a stage 2, so it's got the Mopar kit. Pretty cool, I think, but I haven't really done that much. I just need to get a tune. I need to get paint, and I need to get my front bumper on. So once I get that front bumper on, it's going straight to get paint. So overall, pretty happy with it. And let's just get into the driving part. I'm actually gonna give you guys a couple of revs first. I'm just gonna use this thing to hold up the phone, so it should sound pretty good. So this is the interior, not much. I got my scanner here because I had an issue earlier, but ignore that. But we have the radar scanner I got. There's my gauge pod I was talking about. Shifter is the stock one. Got a watt box down here. I don't know if you guys can see it in the video or not, but I'm just gonna kind of drive around to show you guys how it drives in 2026. Fires right up. No lights on the dash for right now. This car has to be like how nobody really knows about it. I mean, even like what, 23-ish years after it's released, people just either ignore it or they just don't know what it is and they refuse to learn it. And it's really fun when you get up with people and race them and they just don't know what it is. Through the gears like crazy, but it just keeps moving. I have my windows up because it's a little windy, but I'm gonna go ahead and roll them down here so you guys hear the downshifts. I was like, that looks like very familiar on the front. As I mentioned earlier, I had an issue where my dash was like, the RPMs, everything was like not flickering, but like off, on. Thermostat, fuel gauge, speed, I couldn't tell how high I was revving up and stuff. I do need new coilovers, they are shot. So I think after I get my car painted, as a WRX, after I get my car painted and everything else, new bumper, it was an SRT-8, then I'll get the coilovers. just got like a hearse short throw or something and put them on. Oh, it's a bike. I thought it was like an SRT-8 badge, but I guess not. That Jeep is flying. What is he going? Jeep has somewhere to be. Alright guys, I have found my ideal launch control location. Alright. Here we go, chat. Wow. I just spun. That was only 3,000 RPM too. guys. I've driven around for like probably 10 minutes and it feels fine. Sounds great. I might make some more videos this year, depending on how well this one does. So make sure to drop a like and a comment. If you reach to the end, just comment red car, and I'll see you guys in the next one.